This is a question come from HMMT 2021. Given that a, b are positive integer, lies in between 2 and 2021. We are asked to find the number of ordered pairs a, b satisfy the equation. First of all, we can log both sides. After which, this is log ax, the power can be bring over here. So this is log b, a to the power of -4. And we left with log a. Okay. And this will equal to log a, b a -3. And we left with log a, b. It is valid to have this operation because a is always greater than or equal to 2. Now, log AA is equal to 1. And this is log BA to the power of -4. Again, we'll do the same thing. Bring the -4 forward. This is -4 log BA. This is equal to 1. And we can separate that. So this is log AB plus, and this is log AA to the power of -3. So it will be -3 log AA and times log AB. We let x to be log AB. And therefore, with this, 1 over x will equal to log BA. So the left hand side will be equal to -4 over x. And the right hand side, it is equal to x minus 3 times x. Multiply each term by x. So this will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 equals to 0. Note that when x equals to -1, this is -1 minus 3 plus 4, it is equal to 0. And therefore, x plus 1 will be one of the factor. Since x plus 1 is one of the factor, and this is an order 3 polynomial, so we left with x squared. And this is 1, this is 4, it should be a 4 here. And we need to determine what is the coefficient of x. The term in x can be only obtained from here, that is 4x. Then we need to minus 4x here, so that there's no more term in x. The term in x squared can be obtained from here and here. That is -4 plus 1, it is -3. So it means that this is a correct factorization. So x plus 1, this is x minus 2 squared equals to 0. So x equals to -1 or x equals to 2. Log AB equals to -1 or log AB equals to 2. If log AB equals to -1, meaning that B equals to A to the power of -1, and this is 1 over A. We have to reject this result because AB are both integer from 2 to 2021. This is not possible. If this is not possible, then B has to be equal to A squared. And B is less than or equal to 2021. Now we know that 2021 is in between 45 squared, that is 2025, and is greater than 44 squared. It means that AB must be of the form k squared, where k running from 2, 3, all the way to 44. And since k is running from 2 to 44, then they are exactly 43 such order pair. So 43 is the answer for this question. As usual, I prepared one similar question. Please give it a try and check the answer in the description. That's all for today's lesson. See you again. Bye-bye.